From that, we are going to learn today spellings of the shapes. And then later on, we are going to learn the patterns. What are patterns? It's the part of one shapes only. Because see, patterns means when we see that the different shapes in different patterns. For example, I will show you that. Now in my hand there is a semicircle. Yes, and then next is rectangle. Like this same. Front of this rectangle we have to say keep the same shape. Yes, and then later on like this. I will show you all the things properly. Like this. Now sequence again I have kept here. Yes, which shape? Semicircle shape. Yes, and then later on like this we have to see. Okay. Now for example, just now I gave you the semicircle and the rectangle, and now I will show you the triangle and the square. Okay. First,
see the shape of triangle. Second one is like this. I have shown you which shape? Square shape. Now once again, when we put or we draw, yes, or we color the shape, that will be the same shape which first is there. Yes, here we have to see, keep like this triangle. Now in this way we have to complete the pattern. Yes, sometimes the patterns are of two types, means two shapes, sometimes three shapes, and it will not come only in shapes, but it will come in things also, books also, pen also, pencils also. Okay. Now we will see in the book. Open your book. Open your book, page number 67. In the last period, we have learned the shapes, we have matched the shapes, and we have done filling the blanks of the shapes. Now today we are going to see that color the shapes that used in the picture. So here what we have to do? Color the shape that is used in the picture. So here we have to see these pictures 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then later on what they have given is here, see, side by they have given the different shapes. In these three shapes we have to see the picture. First we have to see the picture, and then later on that picture we have to tell the shape, and then we have to color one shape. That is, from these three shapes we have to color one shape, and which shape it will be, that we have to say. Now see, this is circle. Yes, you can see watch, but the watch is in circle. Yes, so here we have to color this picture. I will color with red, you color with your favorite colors, no problem. Yes, now the next, can you see here? Yes, what is this? Ice cream. Yes, so tell me the shape. Yeah, it is like triangle, see. Yes, so here we have to color this triangle. See, shapes are like this. We say this also triangle, this like this also triangle. The three corners are there and three sides are there, that is triangle. So see here 1, 2, 3. Corners are there 1, 2, 3. So we have colored the triangle one. Next is hanger. Yes, where you see this hanger? Yes, we keep the clothes on that and we keep in the cupboard. So what is the shape of this? See, like this you have to draw and see, means you will get the idea also. So here also see, three sides are there, three corners are there. So now this shape, what we will say for this shape? Yes, it is triangle. Just now I told you that it is not like that, it must be the same size. See, here it was long, here it is different, but both are triangle only. Yes, so don't get the confused. Now the next, what you can see here? Yes, box, but it is a gift box. Yes, what is the shape of this box? See, you can see here like this. Do see, four sides are equal. It has 4 corners also. So what is that? Yes, square. So you color the square. Got it? I will wait for a minute just to complete that. Now the next, wait for a minute everybody, just I will show you. Now we are going to learn the patterns. Before starting the session, we have seen some shapes that I shown you, but now here we will draw and see. Okay, not only shape, but we can draw any different things also. But to understand you properly, first I will show you the pattern of shapes. Now I will draw a circle. Yes, after circle I will draw square. Yes, then after these two, here third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this we have to complete the pattern. But how to complete the pattern? You will draw the same thing here. Yes, but which is the first one, that will come here, and then which is the second one, that will come on the next one. Means it must be look same. See, now I will draw a circle. Yes, this circle, square, circle, square. Now here once again we have to draw circle. Here we have to draw square. In this way we have to complete the patterns. Now I will draw here flower. Okay. Yes, this is one flower and the another I will draw like this. Yes, these are two different flowers. Yes, so we have to complete the pattern here also. What you will do? You will draw this first? No, because the first which is there, that only we have to draw to complete the pattern. Like this we have to complete the pattern. Okay. So open the next page, that is page number 6868. As we have to write, see here the pictures, and then we have to write here, yes, the name of that shapes and here the number of shapes. Yes, after that we will see the pattern. See, already they have seen here circle, here only one circle is there, we have wrote here number. Now next we have to see the shapes. Which shape is this? Yes, star. So we have to write here S-T-A-R, star. So how many stars are there? 1, 2. So you will write here 2. Yes. Now which shape is this? Yes, very good, triangle. So what is the spelling of triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Now next, see, here also they have written circle, and here also the shapes are there of same circle. So we will write C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The next now, square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we will write here the spelling of square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. And here number of square, 5. Got it? Once again see, triangle. So write here T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. How many are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Yes. understand you, we have done all these things properly. So this star, triangle, circle, square, these spellings also we have to learn. Okay, then only we can write it correct. I will wait for a minute and then we will turn to our page, that is patterns. Yes, just now we saw before this what is the pattern that we are going to learn. So now here PATTERNS, patterns. So what we have to do? Just now that we have seen, I have drawn some shapes and I have shown you the flowers also, 2 different flowers. But how to complete that? That also we have learned. Here also we are going to learn that. COMPLETE, complete. THE, the. PATTERNS, patterns. AND, and. COLOUR, color. Complete the patterns and color. Yes. So what we have to do? See, we have to draw the shapes and we have to color. But we can draw any whatever the shapes we want? No, they have given here already the shapes also, and in that shape we have to see and complete the pattern. Yes, we have to see shapes and then complete the patterns. So here what you can see, which shape is this? Yeah, like this, which shape is this? Anybody can tell me? Yes, diamond. This circle, this diamond, and then here we have to draw circle. Like this, draw the circle and we have to color. But see, here the different colors they have used. So only the shapes must be same, but the color we can give different. I will give red color. Sorry, I will give yellow color. You give whichever you want. Okay. First I told red color, but already here the red color is there. If I will give here also red, it will not look properly. So I have changed the color and gave yellow. Like this you have to complete the pattern. See. Yes. First diamond, second circle, first diamond, and here see they were given blank. Also we have traced their circle. Now the next, here which shape you can see? Square. Here triangle. Here square. Yes, but here on the blank place you have to draw the triangle. But the same triangle only you have to draw here. You can't draw the triangle in this way. Okay. You have to draw the triangle in this way only, not in this way, because to complete the pattern it must be same. So like this we have to draw this triangle. Okay, and we have to color that. Next now circle, square, circle. So here which shape will come from these three? Tell me. Yes, very good. Circle. Sorry, square. Color that. In this way we have complete the patterns and we have colored that also. I will wait for a minute, just you do that. Now come on the next page, that is 7070. COLOUR color, THE the, SHAPE shape, THAT that, COMES comes, NEXT next. So what they have told us, color the shape that comes next. So we have to see that. Here see circle, square, yes, but already they have given here both shapes, circle also and square also, but we have to see to complete the pattern. After this which shape will come, that we have to color. So see here, first circle is there, then square, circle, then square, then here in this both which will come first? Circle will come first. So color the circle. Like this you have to color. We have to see that after 1, 2, 3, 4 here which shape will come, and that shape we have to color to complete our pattern. Now next, heart triangle. So here which shape will come? Yes, heart. So color that. Why we have colored the shape heart one first? Because here in this pattern first is heart and second is triangle, and the here last is triangle. So after triangle heart shapes come. See now 1, 2, 1, 2. So which will the first one now? Yes, oval one. Now next, triangle star. So here triangle will come. Yes, it is triangle? No, it is rectangle. Yes, very good. I was telling and you were listening, but it was not a triangle, it is rectangle. So rectangle star. So here the after star the rectangle shape will come. So we have to color with this rectangle. Okay. Next is shapes. See the shapes. Pentagon. Yes. Diamond. Pentagon. Diamond. So here after this diamond shape pentagon will come. So here. I have used only one color, you can use different colors. 1, 2, 1, 2. So here we have to circle this. So in this way we have completed our patterns. Okay. Just I will wait for a minute, you do it. So today we have learned patterns and the name of the shapes also, means spellings. Okay, so you have to learn that spellings also, and you have to do the practice of patterns. You can take different types of things also, whatever there is available in your home you can use, like pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, and you can understand while keeping the patterns. Okay, so you can draw in your books also properly. Thank you.